What's that noise? Why are so many people licking doorbells? Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to get a little scared. I am going to watch some scary videos and hopefully I won't get scared, or maybe I will, I don't know, we'll see how this goes. If you are interested in looking at me as I get scared, you should continue with this video. I found some very scary videos on the internet and I've not watched these ones yet, but I've watched the other ones and honestly I've not been able to sleep after I did that, but I still took on this challenge, and this time on camera. So let's see, let's watch some scary stuff. Okay, so the first video I have with me here is, I'm already getting scared. Okay, let me wear my earphones. I don't want everybody else to get scared. I'm really getting to wear one. Okay.
It's past 3 a.m. and you're home. You're all alone. You're in bed sleeping, oblivious to the danger that's lurking outside of your house. A stranger is moving silently in the night, closer and closer.
Why is it always 3 a.m.
Your doorbell camera
everywhere?
captures the stranger in the video. Did you remember to lock your doors? Let's take a look and see who's outside.
Okay.
Doorbell licker. The strange man was caught on a ring cam licking the doorbell of a couple who were on vacation at the time. Their older children were in the house but not aware of it. He spent 3 hours outside of their home in the middle of the night with no explanation as to why.
3 hours? Lick. What? Ring cam videos. This can be like one of the worst nightmares, right? I mean, you're just sleeping and there's somebody on your door and oh my god. Oh. Okay.
They decided to do one thing after watching the security footage.
What?
Wipe off the doorbell.
Why is he licking the
The
doorbell?
owner said technically he didn't harm anyone. He didn't break anything. Number 4. Doorbell licker 2. Doorbell licking must be really in right now.
Oh my god. What is wrong with him?
Another case of
Why
a
would you
bizarre
do
man
that?
licking a doorbell, this time from Florida.
Oh my god.
A homeless man.
Why are so many people licking doorbells? You.
And who used to live in the neighborhood was caught by a ring camera holding a stack of papers or books.
What is this?
From time to time, he would just lean in and lick the doorbell.
What is wrong
Maybe
with
something
people?
on the paper he was holding.
What is it on the paper?
I'm not sure if he ever returned or if he was caught, but this is another example of people being very strange. Then again, this was.
What is he pointing at? Oh my
Before
god.
he left, he leaned in for a final lick.
Guys, if any of you knows why someone doing strange things like that, let me know in the comment section below, because I do not understand why would someone do that. I mean, yeah, one thing is they are trying to, I think, scare you and do weird things so that people inside get scared, or you know, something like that. Can there be any other possible reason why someone would do that? I don't know, but who knows. Next one.
Number 3. Knife
Oh my
Granny.
god. Knife granny. Yeah, the thought of it is okay. She looks so scary as she's just coming towards.
I couldn't find the origin of this video, only one with the caption that read, "Dad's friend from work has a doorbell cam. This is what he woke up to. Strange woman with a knife in her hand. Appears to be debating on whether or not she should ring the bell."
She looks a little scared while doing that. I mean, it's like maybe it's the first time that she's doing something like that, or I don't know, or maybe her first time in this neighborhood or something like that. But scary nonetheless.
Was she lost? Is this dementia? Was she returning a knife at 3 a.m. that she borrowed from the man? I guess we'll never know. Number 2.
The masked man. Oh god. Oh my god.
The uploader of this video said after he put his kids to bed, he got a notification that someone was at the front door. After opening the app, he grabbed his gun. No explanation was ever found for the stranger in a mask to walk up to a man's door and cover their ring cam with some kind of tape. Seconds later, the tape falls off and the masked man is nowhere to be seen. Was this just a teenager having some fun? Or is this something more sinister?
Definitely something more.
Either way, I wouldn't want to wake up to this face in the middle of the night.
Yeah, I mean, why would I even check that in the middle of the night? Like, I would not even check this footage or even look at the doorbell camera, whatever is happening in there at night, right? I mean, such strange things happen. I might just lose all of my sleep, and oh my god, that's even the thought of it is so scary. I might look at it in the morning or something like that, but not at night for sure, right? Unless I live with a team of security guards, all armed and all of that. Well, number 1.
Smiley face. Kathleen Fresco
Which face?
home when a man wearing a smiley face mask knocked on her door at 8:30 on a Sunday evening.
8:30 p.m.
Kathleen said it was very unsettling to see this man with a creepy smiling mask on her ring cams. After knocking, he tries the handle on the screen door, but it's locked. Then he wipes off his fingerprints. This guy was never caught, so if you have a ring cam, watch out for smiley face.
Seriously, people are... What's that noise? Okay, so these were some scary doorbell camera footages which are enough to scare the shit out of us. Okay,